What's up, everybody? It's me, Brandon Green, owner of Gold Element Autoworks. It's the end of the year and looking forward to doing some different things for next year for the business. This has been a very successful year for Gold Element Autoworks LLC, and I appreciate everyone's love and support and input. A lot of people have contacted me privately and given me different suggestions, different things that they love about the business, and different things that I can maybe change, product lines, different opportunities that can come up with the nature of the business if I implement certain dynamics into the business. And so that's what I'm considering next year, is making some positive changes that allow me to not only reach more customers but also satisfy their individual needs. So expansion is something that every business should consider, but it's not a matter of if you should expand, it's when you should expand. Just because you move too fast, you run out of steam. Just because things are going well now doesn't mean that they'll always go well. You have to anticipate the slowdown, changes that take place naturally. And organic growth is what I always have pushed for and strive to stay within. Always set goals, always create different objectives, I guess, and ideas that you are imagining adjusting towards or steering towards, I guess, different things that are out there that can help the business to be what you really want it to be. But you have to start off small sometimes and just gradually go in that direction. You move too fast, sometimes it can lead to failure. We know what the percentage of businesses are that fail, and I don't want to fall into that category. I want to continue to move at a steady pace, grow in a steady way, organically, and continue to listen to my customer base and see what it is that they're needing from me. What can I provide? How can I help? That's how this business began, and that's how it's going to continue. How can I satisfy the needs of those who need me? So I appreciate, again, everyone's support. I appreciate everyone reaching out to me, and also many ones who have reached out to me privately telling me thank you and how much I've helped them, and not to listen to the negativity that's going to come anyways. You got to keep in mind, whenever you're doing something different, you're always going to be scrutinized and nitpicked and criticized. I don't mind constructive criticism. I don't like destructive criticism. And unfortunately, there's a lot of negative people out there that don't know how to do anything but destroy or try to. So you can't cave into that pressure. You have to stay focused, know what you're doing and why you're doing it, and be confident in what you do. And even when things don't work out, you keep on getting up and keep trying. If it don't work out, keep on getting up and keep trying. Because that's how you succeed. That's how you overcome the hard times, the slowdowns, the difficulties, the bad decisions, the losses. You have to keep going. If you miss a free throw, do you never shoot a free throw again? If you don't make into the end zone, the touchdown, do you never catch the ball and try to run again? If you fall, do you stay down or do you get up and keep on walking? You can't allow adversity to stop you, to take you off of your focus. Sometimes you do have to refocus your focus. Remember your objective, remember your goals, and do all that you can to attain such. Surround yourself by positive people, tighten up your circle, expand when necessary, know when to let go, know when to cut them off, push them out the circle. But always be open to diversify your influencers, those who can have a positive impact on what you're doing. You don't know it all. You need to always be willing to learn. Always be humble. Always be open to learn. All right, as I go backwards on this into my driveway, make sure I don't crash. But yeah, keep on growing, guys, and let's make 2024 a great year. All right, and again, thank you for all that you guys have done for me, and I hope that I've helped more people than I realize. I'm sure I have. Not everyone reaches back out to me, but a lot of them do, and I appreciate when you guys do that. So 2024 is just a few days away. Let's finish 2023 off right, and let's make next year a great one. Again, appreciate you guys. You take care of yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.